We've been looking at number lines, and when we did number lines yesterday, there's a little bit of confusion with how to set everything up. So there's different ways that we can get all the number lines to look the same. The whole idea is making sure that we create them the same. So on some number lines, there's going to be a 0 for the most part in the middle, and we need to make sure that the spacing or the interval stays the same. So the interval or the spacing between all of these, or the scale, is 1. So the distance between each one of the characters is 1. This has the 0 in the middle. If I have to plot 3, I'm making sure that the point is at the intersection of the number line and the tick mark. If we wanted to go and make another number line, we can make it every inch. The 0 doesn't always need to be in the middle of the number line. And we also don't need to count by ones every time. Maybe I want to count by 5s. I made my lines go below the number line this time. Still going to be the same thing. If we want to make the plotted point at -15, it's at the intersection of the tick mark and the number line. One last time. When we have to get multiple items plotted, but the numbers are larger, maybe I needed to plot 50 and I needed to plot 175. So maybe I'm gonna start at, I'll start at 50 and I'll go up by 25 each time. 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225. Now on this number line there isn't even a 0, but we know that the scale or the interval or the space between each one of the tick marks is 25. So I can plot 50 and I can plot 175 on the same number line. Hold it up a little bit so that you can see it a little more easily. So those are the ways that we can make sure that we're showing all the numbers that we need to plot. We don't have to go by 1 every time. We don't have to have the 0 smack dab in the middle of the number line. We don't even have to have a 0 on the number line every single time.